Hey, what's up guys? In this video we are gonna show you how to recover Gmail account without recovery email and phone number. In case if you have lost access to your Gmail account, either someone has hacked your Gmail account or you are facing two-step verification issue, still you can regain access to your Gmail account. Before moving further, like this video, tap on subscribe button, tap on bell icon, tap on all to get all the notification for the latest uploaded videos. First of all, you have to navigate Google app, hold the Google app, tap on app information, tap on permissions, tap on location, tap on don't allow, tap on don't allow anyway. Minimize this one. Now you have to navigate Google Chrome browser, hold the Google Chrome browser, tap on app information, tap on permissions, tap on location, tap on don't allow, tap on don't allow anyway. Now you have to go back and then here you will see the last option open by default. Tap on it and then here you will see last option clear defaults. Tap on it, minimize this one. Now you have to open Google Play Store and you have to download and install Retifo browser. After installation, open this browser and then here you have to open Google and then tap on sign in. Now here you have to enter the Gmail account that you want to recover. And then tap on next. And then here Google will ask you to enter your password. So you have already forgotten your password, simply tap on forgot password. And then here Google will ask you about two-step verification. Either you have lost your phone or you don't have access to your phone number, simply tap on try another way. And then you will land here and here you will see this kind of error, could not sign you in. Now here you have to keep one thing in your mind, you don't have to tap on try again. If you will tap on try again and you will try again and again, your Google account will be locked. Simply minimize from here. Now you have to navigate the settings option from your phone. Tap on settings, scroll down and you have to navigate Google option. Tap on Google and then you will land here on Google services. At the top right side you will see three dots. Tap on it and then here help option will appear. Tap on it and then here in the bottom you will see search help. Tap on it and here you have to type. Tap on search and then here you will see bunch of options. From here you have to select second option. Tap on it and then here you will see if you don't have another second step or forgot your password. Tap on this option, scroll down. Here you will see option tips to answer as best as you can. Tap on this option, scroll down and then here you will see the option create a replacement Google account. Tap on this option, scroll down. Here you will see the option learn how to avoid getting logged out of your Google account. Tap on this option, scroll down and then here you will see the option can't sign in. Here you will see the option these tips. Tap on this option, scroll down and then here you will see the option set up more ways to sign in. Here you will see first option if you sign in with just a password. If you have created your Gmail account with just a password, you have to select the first option. Second option, if you use two-step verification. So if you have set up two-step verification on your Gmail account, you have to select the second option. Scroll down and then here you will see the option backup codes. Tap on it and then here you will see the option Google Authenticator. Tap on it and then here you will see learn about two-step verification. Tap on it, scroll down and then here you will see the option create a passkey. Tap on it, scroll down and then here you will see the option remove a passkey on a lost or stolen device. Tap on this option. Here you will see the option learn how to remove a passkey. Tap on it. Scroll down. Here you will see the option Google Security Block. Tap on it. A pop-up notification will appear. From here you have to select Retrieve for browser. It will automatically redirect you to Retrieve for browser. Scroll down. And then here you will see the option Advanced Protection Program. Tap on it. Scroll down. And then here you will see the option Help. Tap on it. And then you will land here. Here you will see the option How can we help you. Here you will see bunch of options. From here you have to select Google account. Scroll down. And then here you will see the option Account Recovery. Tap on it. Here you will see bunch of options. From here you have to select Can't sign into your Google account. And then here you will see the option Can't sign into your Google account. Here you will see select the issue. First option, you forgot your password. In case if you have forgotten your Gmail account password, you have to select the first option. Second option, you forgot your username or the email address you use to sign. If you have forgotten your Google account, then you have to select the second option. Third option, you know your username and password but you can't sign in. If you know the details of your Gmail account but you can't sign in, you have to select the third option. Fourth option, you think someone else is using your account. In case if your account is hacked, you have to select the fourth option. Fifth option, you are having trouble with two-step verification. If you are facing two-step verification issue, then you have to select the fifth option. We'll select the fifth option. And then here you will see the option follow the steps to recover your Google account or Gmail. Tap on this option. And then you will land here on Google account recovery page. And then here you will see recover your Google account. Now here you have to enter the Gmail account that you want to recover. And then tap on next. And then here success option will appear. Further you will see two options, change password, continue. Simply tap on change password. And then you will land here on password change dashboard. Now here you have to set a strong password. First of all, you have to decide your new password. And then you have to confirm your new password. And then tap on change password. You can see changing password, your password was changed. Now quickly you have to go to security and you have to update your mobile number and recovery email so the hacker cannot recover your account again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.